Want to modify any existing FontAwesome icon to make it your own? With the Icon Wizard, you can stack and combine icons, modifiers, and elements into a single custom icon. To get started, click the Wizard tab at the top of the page. Alternatively, you can access the wizard by going to a specific icon you want to modify and clicking the Icon Wizard button. There are 4 ways to pick something to add to the canvas when building a custom icon: icons, modifiers, elements, and the user blender. Let's create an icon using a current FontAwesome icon and a modifier. To start, select an icon that you'd like to add to the canvas. Head over to the Modifiers tab and select your chosen modifier. Great, you've added your very own icon. Now, let's customize it a bit further. To the right of the canvas, you can make adjustments to your icons like scale, rotation, and stroke size. If you'd like to change the blend mode of a specific icon, you can do so here. Let's adjust the scale and decrease the stroke size. To adjust the position, you can nudge your icon using the arrow keyboard shortcuts. Underneath the canvas, you can name your custom icon and save it to a kit by selecting which kit you'd like to use and clicking the Save to Kit button. Once saved, your icon will appear under the Custom Icons tab in your kit. It's important to note that this is only for paid version 7 kits. Above the canvas are some other options for sharing your icon. Download as SVG or download as PNG. You can also share your creation with friends by clicking the share icon and copying the icon link or posting it to social media. See, that was super easy. And now it's your turn to go make something awesome.